Hi everyone, welcome to the third quarterfinal of the second edition of Quizzing with the Comedians. We have a very interesting lineup coming up because we have two debutants today and two people who were there in the last edition. So it's a nice mix of contestants in this quarterfinal. We already had two quarterfinals earlier today. We had Abbas Dalal and Vishal Dayama from the first quarterfinals who have qualified for the semifinals. We have Anirban Dasgupta and Vaibhav Sethia from the second quarterfinal who have qualified for the semis. And in the course of next 40, 45 minutes, 50 minutes maybe, we will have two more quarterfinalists. Okay, I'm going to call the contestants one by one. Our first contestant is someone I'm a huge fan of. She was a legendary TV VJ, a great actor. One of my all-time favorite comedies is Quick Gun Murugan, where she starred. Fantastic actor, fantastic comedian, fantastic person. Give it up for Anu Menon.
Hello.
Our next contestant is someone who was there in the last edition. He was in fact one of the semi-finalists from last edition. He has taken out 1 hour time from his busy schedule. He's a part of Cannes Film Festival today. So thank you so much for that. Great writer, great entrepreneur. Give it up for Devaya Bopanna.
Hey, thanks so much, KP. KP.
I'm welcoming the third contestant now. He's another debutant today. When we started Quizzing with Comedians, one of my ideas was not just to have comedians, but like people from other fields. And this man was one of the first people I wanted on this quiz. Great musician, great artist, great composer, great singer. We might request him to sing a couple of lines at the end, just like any Indian uncle would. Give it up for Harpreet Singh, everyone. Harpreet.
Hello.
Wow.
Hi.
This is perfect musician frame. You have like keyboard, and whatever else, soundproof room and all that. Okay, our next contestant is actually one of the finalists of the first edition. Lost in the final, but like played great throughout the tournament. He's one of the contenders in this, according to bookies, is what I hear, to win this tournament. But let's see, he has very tough competition with the three of you. Give it up for my buddy KG Kanan Gill.
Hello.
Good evening, everyone.
Okay, are we all ready to start? Question number 1 for Anu. Which nationalist leader from Punjab became the first president of the Indian National Trade Union Congress in 1921? Okay, so
Taler Mendy's father.
1 point.
That's why he sang. That's why someone sang Dardi Rub Rub. Came from personal pain.
Okay, I'll just repeat the main hint from here. Okay, nationalist leader, Punjab, Indian National Trade Union Congress, and in 1921. So 1921 will give you some indication of the era. Punjab and nationalist will give you other hints. Who are we talking
Bhagat
about?
Singh's progeny.
Not Bhagat Singh's progeny. Do you have another guess, Anu?
No.
No? Okay, passing to Devaya.
Random. Is it Khushwant Singh?
Not Khushwant Singh. Going to Harpreet now.
Mm-hmm. 1921.
Yeah. 1921, Punjab, nationalist leader.
No idea.
Okay.
Pass.
Are you passing to Kanan?
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea as well. I was gonna talk a lot of trash about like, oh, what an easy question. I wish it came to me. Hoping it didn't come to me. But I will say, is it Zail Singh? No, probably not. Right?
Not Zail Singh.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give a hint. Make it a 5-pointer. Then again start with Anu. The first hint is he was part of a famous trio. Okay. He was part of a famous trio of Indian nationalist struggle. Okay. That's the first hint. Second is he's also known as Punjab Kesari or like Lion of Punjab. Okay. So like really important person in the Indian independence movement who belonged to Punjab. If I have to summarize, just think of one of the most important leaders from Punjab in Indian struggle for independence. Who can you think of?
No, now Kumar Varun, you're just guilt tripping us because
No,
we
no.
don't know. You're just making it worse. Lion of Punjab, so important. I mean, we get it.
Okay. 0.5 to Anu for her frustration against the quiz.
Wow, I don't know.
Okay, passing to Dev.
Bhagat Singh.
Not Bhagat Singh. Passing to Harpreet.
राजगुरु.
Not Rajguru. Passing to
अरे
Kanan.
यार.
Man,
Trio
I
में तो
don't know, but my
तीसरा
dad
नाम
will be
नहीं याद
mad
आ
at
रहा
me.
मुझे.
That's all I will say.
What? Kanan,
I said my
sorry.
dad will be mad at me for not knowing, but I don't know.
Yeah.
काफी शर्म आ रही है इसके बाद.
Okay.
Yes.
Then I'm closing it. I'm.
Did Akshay Kumar play this guy at any point in his life?
He will now.
0.5 to both Dev and Anu. The answer is Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Of course, that's what I was going to say.
Of course.
But I got thrown off slightly because, like, I was like, "Hi, Rai, Aishwarya Rai from Mangalore."
Yeah, dude. I mean, I thought she's from Bangalore.
Yeah.
Rai is from Bangalore. Lala Lajpat Rai is
Yeah.
Bangalorean is what I
Oh
thought.
my God.
So is he really the Lion of Punjab, guys? I'm just asking. Okay.
Of course.
Okay.
Are
Lala
all the
Lajpat Rai.
questions this level of toughness? Just want to know.
No, Anu. It's. We'll see. We'll see.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Next
Cool.
question will be direct to Dev because no one got it. Dev, which comic book character created in 1914 is the son of Alice Rutherford and John Clayton? Okay, so we're talking about a comic book character created in early 20th century, so like really old comic book character, and the son of these two people, Alice Rutherford and John Clayton. Which fictional character are we
Batman.
talking? Not Batman. Batman is Wayne. Harpreet.
नहीं यार.
Okay, passing to Kanan.
Super guess, but is it Superman?
Not Superman. Passing to
Adoptive foster parents, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Oh.
not Superman. Passing to Anu.
Mandrake the Magician.
Not
Or
Mandrake the Magician.
Phantom.
No, not Phantom or Mandrake. Okay, going another round with 5 points now. We'll start with Dev. Dev, think of forest. Okay, forest is a clue.
X-Men.
Not X-Men. Passing to Harpreet.
Sorry, what was the clue?
Forest.
Forest.
Forest. Okay.
नहीं यार. Passing.
Harpreet is passing. Passing to Kanan.
All the answers, obviously, Shikari Shambhu. Going by the connection. Oh, there's a forest-based comic, of course. I was going to say Phantom, but that's already rejected. So I will say Snoopy. I don't know.
Snoopy?
Yes.
No, not Snoopy. Snoopy, the dog.
Man, you know, when you're hunting for things in your brain.
No, it said son of. That's why.
Snoopy.
It said
Yeah.
son of. Okay, going to Anu
Yeah.
now.
Snoopy can be a son of someone.
Yeah, you know, Snoopy didn't materialize.
Foliage man. Plant man. Foliage man. Vegetation man.
No.
छोटा भीम.
0.5 to 1 point to Harpreet for Chota Boo. Okay, I can't take another round.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh
It's
shit!
a bit disingenuous to
Oh
say
my God,
Tarzan,
that's-
I feel,
that's
as
terrible.
a comic book character.
Yeah.
बहुत खराब. बहुत खराब.
Tarzan the Wonder Car. Oh,
Wasn't
Yeah, I
Tarzan
thought-
born in the world of novels?
Okay, we were
Jungle
talking
or
about Tarzan.
My goodness, this is crazy.
Okay, Tarzan, no stress. Next direct will be to Harpreet. Question number 3. Harpreet, which British novelist served as an assistant district superintendent in the Indian Imperial Police in Burma between 1922 and 1927? Okay, which British novelist served as an assistant district superintendent in the Indian Imperial Police in Burma between 1922 and 1927? We're talking about a famous British novelist who also served in the Indian Imperial Police, and he served in Burma for 5 years between 1922 and 1927.
पास है यार ये.
Okay, passing to Kanan.
Is it Kipling?
Not Kipling, good track. Anu,
Ruskin Bond.
not Ruskin Bond. Devaya,
Winston Churchill.
not Churchill. Okay, I'll take one more round with 5 points. He was also born in India. That's the first clue of this person. And the second clue is think dystopian. Okay, so born in India. That's the first clue. And second clue is think dystopian future.
बस इसका कोई अंदाजा नहीं मुझे.
Passing to Kanan.
Is it H.G. Wells?
Not H.G. Wells. Passing to Anu.
Asimov.
Not Asimov. Good track.
Not British.
Dave. Not British. Dave.
Mm. Shooter guy. No, pass.
It is George Orwell. George Orwell, legendary British writer. This is his photo from his days in Burma.
I know,
Cool,
I keep
okay.
thinking Orwell is American.
No. Okay. Next, direct to Kanan.
Yes, sir.
This is your
mine.
direct. So Rossini composed an opera about the intrigues of Figaro. The opera was called The Barber of Seville. Okay. Who composed an opera about his marriage? Like about Figaro's marriage. I'll repeat. I'm just repeating and going slow because Anu is not able to see the screen.
Right.
Rossini composed an opera about the intrigues of Figaro. The opera was called The Barber of Seville. Who composed an opera about his marriage, about the marriage of Figaro?
I mean, what the fuck? I'm thinking about famous opera composers, and I can come up with one singer. That Figaro is a brand of olive oil, and which extra virgin olive oil is pretty good. You can use it on salad or for cooking omelets.
1 point there. 1 point to Kanan for culinary tips during lockdown.
No problem. Who composed? You're looking for a composer.
Yeah, we're looking for a composer. Like looking for a great name in the world of music.
All right, I'm going to say Beethoven.
Not Beethoven. Going to Anu.
I'm going to say Bach.
Not Bach. Going to Devaya.
The other one.
Amadeus. Let me just go Latin. Amadeus.
Okay, can you say the full name or something? Or like what's happening?
Ouch.
Amadeus is shit. I know.
I'm looking for the
popular
I will
name.
give it to him if he's got the first name. I mean, the middle name.
Yeah, but why is
Any
he
name.
doing that?
Any name.
I genuinely forgotten the other name.
You know,
It's not
there's a
this is
specific-
how you get to Cannes Film Festival, dude.
There's a specific reason I'm not
RT
doing
name.
that. And what?
Okay.
Amadeus's name was
It's also a size in the ancient McDonald's. You could get a small, a medium, a large.
Like
Also, restaurant is
Dave, Beethoven is done. Bach is done.
yeah.
What's
Dude,
the
I
next
know
name that you
I'm
can think
going
of?
to sound very dumb here, and it's just not coming to my mind. And I got the most unobvious name of his.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's like I asked you
I
for
want this.
Father of Nation and you said Karamchand. You know what I mean. Like,
I want this.
Not coming to my mind. Pass.
okay, but you will get points because technically, like Kanan
Yeah,
also said,
that should be
you're
worth at
there.
least half points.
Yeah. But you will get bulk
Makes
points.
sense.
But I'm just looking for like you will get bulk point because you're referring to the same to some person, the same person. But I'll go to Harpreet because. But I'll give you bulk of the points.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart.
That is correct.
Man.
Yeah, man. I mean, that's a really weird place to blank on.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm giving 6 to Dev. I'm still giving the bulk points to Dev and 4 to Harpreet. Mozart.
ठीक है.
If we were asked
ठीक
about
है.
your name, we could like, it's something Panna. Something Panna. I'm getting Panna and I want the rest of it.
I'm like Panna. Is this?
Is it Aam
अरे यार
Panna?
Amadeus भी नहीं बोलना था यार. मतलब मुझे पूरा पॉइंट मिलता.
अगर Amadeus नहीं बोलता तो हाँ full 10.
I was going to say Mozart only.
Yeah, Beethoven, Bach. Then you're like,
Yeah.
Beethoven back.
That's the only one left. Yeah,
Mozart.
that I knew of. The Holy Trinity.
Obviously.
And he said, I mean, wow. Okay, 6 points to Dev, 4 to Harpreet, but we at least have points on board now.
Oh, we have the
Oh,
first
thank
question
God.
answered.
It took
Oh.
2 people in the quiz to answer one
By
question and not go to the
useless
other.
fucking
ये जनता में
panelists.
लेके
Oh,
नहीं जाना
man.
पड़ा कम से कम.
This is gonna be tough.
Okay, next direct question. Since Harpreet got 4 points, we'll go to Kanan. What title is given to a person who has learned the Quran by heart? Okay, so if any person has learned the Quran by heart, a certain title is added to his name, or he can be called by a certain title. Basically, he has the right, like basically achieves the right to be called something. Like if you've traveled to Hajj, for example, then you're called something. Similarly, if a person has learned the entire Holy Quran by heart, what title is given to that person?
Is it Maulvi?
Not Maulvi. Anu?
Maulana, a good Muslim. You earned your place in heaven.
Okay, 1 point to Anu. To respect the purity of a religion. Going to Dev?
Ayatullah?
Not Ayatullah. Going to Harpreet.
Kazi.
Qazi? No, not Qazi. Okay, we'll take one more round.
Oh God.
So,
Damn it.
Maulvi, Qazi, etc. are all like someone is a teacher and someone is basically a. Okay. You might have heard like famous names might include some Pakistani cricketer, for example, but also a very notorious leader, considered a terrorist by the world, like by India at least, but a very but also very controversial Pakistani. But I really, what else do I say?
Just say the answer, man.
Yeah.
No.
Justin, put us out of our misery and just say it.
It's not going to happen. It's like you're trying to eat your dog.
It's at the tip of your tongue. You know you want to.
Oh, it starts with the word H. Okay, it starts with the word H.
He's
H for
gotten
home,
there now.
I got it. H for word or house. Like
Oh,
H
no.
for house, H for home. Starts with the word with the letter H.
Whose turn is it?
Kanan.
Kanan.
I have no idea, dude.
Okay. Kanan is
Hafiz.
passing to beautiful answer. 5 points to Anu. It is Hafiz.
Thank you. Thank God. Thank God.
Hafiz. Hafiz
I only
is
had it
someone-
as when you said most wanted in India. I was like, okay.
Wow.
Otherwise, it was going to be Shahid or Afridi.
Hafiz is correct. Hafiz is the title given to someone who memorizes Quran by heart. Okay, which means Anu now has 5 points.
काजी को भी तो याद होता होगा ना पूरा कुरान नहीं?
हाँ, but उनको भी Hafiz बोल सकते हैं.
Should I just retire on a high?
No.
No one has yet got full marks for a question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
By answering one question, you will be in the lead.
We'll go to Dev now. Dev, this is your direct.
Yeah.
Which premier educational institute in South India was started in 1900 as a one-room clinic by Ida Schroeder? Okay, so let's look at all the hints. First hint is a premier educational institute, so it has to be a very famous educational institute. Geographically, we know it's in South India. Started in 1900, so it's fairly old, more than 100 years old. And the big hint is that it started as a one-room clinic, so you know, like, in which direction to think of.
Christian Medical College, Vellore.
Finally, we have 10 points on board for someone.
Oh.
Dave gets full 10 points. It is CMC Vellore. Christian Medical College, Vellore is the right answer. Okay, I will take a moment to celebrate this. Drink some water. Dave, you're right. Absolutely correct. It is CMC Vellore. Okay, I think we are all back now. I think the streak is now broken.
That's it. Yeah, everything is changed.
We'll
now.
do it.
I can feel
Everything
it shifting
changes.
in the
I
scene.
know.
Listening to the waves of
This is how
change.
it happens.
Yeah.
Every sport, Scorpion. Great. Okay. Next, direct to Harpreet. Let's get the energy back. In
How have I
1960,
been skipped in this, by the way? Just out of curiosity. I know you're always right, but I just wanted to ask the question. Not that I mind, but I just wanted to know from Kannan, how did it go to Devaya and now to Harpreet? Just asking.
Sure. Because between Kanan and Devaya, you got 5 points for Hafiz.
So I don't get a
Between-
question.
The next
Who's
No,
one.
the next
the next
person?
one gets the question.
Okay. The good.
You
Very
got
good. Just
Harpreet.
wanted to know. I'll just make a note of it. Thanks. You're sincere.
Yeah. There's
Hey,
also a
wait
reason
for the
this
next
question came so late in the quiz because no one was getting answers before that. So no one realized how the order was going. Okay, next, direct to Harpreet. In 1960, which company developed the small wheeled box attached to a computer, better known as a mouse? So basically, which company developed mouse? If I have to like summarize this question, which is the company that started mouse? Okay, in 1960, which company developed initially what they developed was basically a small wheel box attached to a computer, and then it started being called mouse. So in retrospect, which is the company that started mouse?
यार IBM ही होनी चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से.
नहीं, IBM नहीं है. Passing to Kanan.
Is Xerox.
It is Xerox.
Fuck, finally.
Oh,
10 points to Kanan. Finally.
Xerox actually invented the entire information age and they gave it away because they're stupid.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, crazy.
I didn't know that. Wow.
Email,
Yeah.
the internet,
Wow.
the mouse, the graphical
Yeah.
user interface, everything is Xerox.
Yeah. This one, in Pirates of Silicon Valley, there's a scene where these guys go to a fair and they see mouse and then isko copy karna chahiye.
Yeah.
Like they see the Xerox cutting, and that's how like Apple and Microsoft, basically everyone.
There's a great line
Cool.
that Bill Gates tells Steve Jobs that you and I are both people who live on the street with a rich neighbor, Xerox, who left their door open. So it says don't have a uppity attitude. हम दोनों ने चोरी किया है.
Nice. हम दोनों ने actually उनका idea Xerox किया है.
Two points to
Then they
KV.
realized
5 points to Arun.
Energy is back, guys. We got
Yeah.
2 back-to-back 10 points. Entire mood of the quiz has
copying
changed.
business.
Nice.
Hmm.
Okay. So Kanam gets 10
Hmm.
points on Xerox. Next direct is to Anu. Anu, this is how it works. Kanam got it.
Finally.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
Which wonder of the ancient world was built by King Nebuchadnezzar? That is why I need a screen in front of you guys. Okay, was built by King Nebuchadnezzar. Okay, Nebuchadnezzar for his wife in the 6th century BC. Okay, I will repeat the main points. This is a wonder of the ancient world built by a king for his wife in 6th century BC. So think of all the famous ancient wonders of the world, and what could be this? The name King Nebuchadnezzar will give you some idea geographically, and he built it for his wife. Okay, what could he have built? That is a wonder of the world. That was a wonder of the world.
What was the wonder? Was it a palace? What was it? What was it? Because I can't see now. That's why I'm just, I can't see anything. That circle is going. I feel
It's
so
a
out of things.
It's a white background with black text on it.
It's actually grey text.
Sorry.
And there's an
I feel
orange.
I'm from the 6th century BC at this point. I feel like that's the information age I'm living in.
Oh my God. 1 point to Anu. Yeah.
Sorry, what was it called? It was called Mesopotamia.
Not Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia actually was an answer in the last quarterfinal that Kaneez got. Devaya?
Hanging Gardens of Babylon.
Absolutely correct. It is the Hanging Gardens
Damn
of
it!
Babylon.
It's the only
Hanging
one.
Gardens. It's
Very
the only
good.
one.
That's true.
Right? Ancient wonder. You can't build pyramids for your wife. You let's build.
It's pyramids,
because-
hanging gardens, and then that colossus that was in
Yeah.
Rome or something, right? That stood over the
Yeah.
ship.
But because of this name, I knew it couldn't be bloody this thing, and I couldn't get Babylon. I should have thought of it.
Oh
God
man,
damn
in
it. Very
school we
good.
used to have so much fun with his name. Everyone used to say, "Hey, Nebuchadnezzar."
So basically, what happened was his wife was feeling homesick, and so that's why he created these gardens for them. Okay, hanging gardens. Okay,
Yeah.
that brings us to the end of the first half of the quiz. I will quickly share the score.
It's only one half.
Yeah. 5 points.
I've-
5 points to
I've
Anu.
developed another gray hair, I'm saying, as I'm watching at this miniature screen. Okay.
26 to Dev, 4 to Harpreet, and 10 to Kanan. Okay, so Devaya has a healthy lead right now, but this entire 50% of the match left. And then Harpreet, Kanan, and Anu are very close to each other in terms of. Okay, now the order will reverse. The order will reverse. We'll start with Kanan, then Harpreet, then Dev, then Anu. Okay.
Kanan, this
Kanan,
will change your luck now. This is it.
Yeah, Kanan, this is your question. Which Indian university? Because we asked one from CMC Vellore, so we're asking another famous Indian university. Which Indian university was founded by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya in 1960?
Banaras Hindu University.
Yeah, beautiful answer. It is the Banaras Hindu University. 10 points to Kanan. We had CMC Vellore, so it sort of tried and balanced the like geographical nature of the quiz with Banaras Hindu University. 10 points to Kanan. Going to Harpreet now. Harpreet, how do we better know the South Indian mega star? Okay, that's a hint. Mega star is in quote. How do we better know the South Indian mega star? Konidela Shiva Shankar Vara Prasad. That's his birth name. Okay, that's his original name. We don't know him by that name, Shiva Shankar Vara Prasad, who also served as the Union Minister of State of Tourism from 2012 to 2014. Okay, let's look at all the hints now. South Indian actor, first hint. Mega star, so he's called a mega star. That's the second hint. Third hint, his name is actually Shiva Shankar Vara Prasad. Okay, he was also Indian Minister of State of Tourism. Indian State Tourism Minister for 2 years, from 2012 to 14. Which South Indian actor are we talking about?
So do you want his real name or his pet name? I'm just curious.
The name that we all know him as.
Okay, not
Rajnikant?
Okay.
Not Rajnikant. Going to Dev.
Ambarish.
Not Amrish. Going to Anu.
N.T. Ramarao.
Good track, but not N.T. Ramarao. Going to Kanan.
Kamal Hassan?
Not Kamal Hassan. Okay, we'll give a hint and take another round. So, Telugu, like think of big Telugu stars. That's why I replied to Anu saying NTR was a good hint, but NTR wasn't alive in 2012-14. We'll start with Harpreet. Harpreet only. Okay, passing to Dev.
Chiranjeevi.
Yeah, Chiranjeevi. Chiranjeevi is the right answer. 5 points to Dev.
Ambarish was a minister then. I don't know which part. I think he was something else.
Chiranjeevi.
Okay. Megastar Chiranjeevi. Megastar Chiranjeevi is correct. 5 points to Dev. Like Rajni, superstar. Chiranjeevi is megastar.
Yeah, it was either Chiranjeevi or Captain Vijaykanth.
Yeah.
Captain Vijaykanth, but is from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, Captain Vijaykanth is Tamil Nadu.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Okay. Going to Anu now. Anu, again a literature question. Which English author wrote most of his work under a nom de plume, like another name that he took? And that name that he took was adopted from the cupbearer's name in Omar Khayyam's Rubaiyat. Okay, so it's a layered
Sorry, just say that
question.
again. The name he took was?
Yeah, I will explain the question now. Which English author? So, okay, we're talking about an English author who used to write using another name, pen name, and that name came from Omar Khayyam's Rubaiyat for the word used for a cup bearer. Okay. Still in Urdu Shairi and like Sufi music, this word is used for a cup bearer. Okay. It's not
Cup
specific.
bearer.
Cup bearer. Yeah.
Oh.
So this author took his name. So I want this name only. We know him because we know him as this, like just like Chiranjeevi. I'm not looking at his original name. The name that he used to write like books and
Khalil
all his
Gibran.
list. No, not Khalil Gibran. Going to Kanan now.
Is it 2 words or 1 word?
One word. One word is what I'm looking for.
Is it Rumi?
Not Rumi.
Not write in
Going to
English. What am I saying?
Yeah, English author. Not even Khalil Gibran.
Yeah.
They're all not English. Okay. Going
Maybe
to
they
Harpreet
wanted
now.
citizenship, but we don't know now. Maybe they applied. Maybe because of Brexit, they didn't get it. I mean, there are issues, dude. Maybe they couldn't see the screen. You don't know. You don't know.
Screen
Problems people have.
sharing, historically important, politically divisive issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Harpreet. Okay, passing to Dev.
चलते हैं आगे देव
Pass.
Okay, we'll take one more round with a hint.
You're giving one more hint? Huh.
Yeah. So the name of this author is H.H. Munro. Okay. H.H. Munro. I just want the name that he used. And that name, like I said earlier also, it's a very commonly used word in like Urdu shairi or like Sufi music to refer to a cup bearer. Like when you talk about drinking, what is the word that you use for someone who is serving the drink to you? And that
Really
is the
nice that
name
you're
that he
asking the
uses.
Chennai born and bred about Urdu shairi
आने
and
दो
the word
जल्दी
cup bearer that I
करो
should know.
आने दो जल्दी चलो जल्दी आगे
Yeah. Next. Go to Kannan. Yeah.
Okay, Kanan, which famous English author are we talking about? I'm talking about H.H. Munro, but H.H. Munro wrote using what name?
Oh, this is going to be. I'm going to kick myself once you say the answer, but for now, pass.
Okay, passing to her.
या
please.
मैं भी रैंडम गेस मार रहा हूँ साकी
Yeah, Saki it is.
Yes, Saki.
Saki, H.H. Munro. Saki is the author.
God damn it.
5 points to Harpreet. Saki is the name that's used for a cup bearer. And Omar Khayyam used it in his book Rubaiyat. That's where H.H. Munro got inspired and took that name for himself.
मुझे पता होता
Okay.
कब बेरर क्या है शायद मैं पहले में बता देता
हरप्रीत 10 की जगह 5 मिले आपको. Okay.
मुझे वक्त
Now,
लग गया थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करना anyway चलते हैं आगे
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next direct to Dev. Dev, which Peter Schaffer play about the life and times of Mozart? Okay. I kept another Mozart, and that's why I kept saying then
So you had to
that
come back
there's
to
one reason I'm formed the basis of Milos Forman's Oscar-winning film in 1984. That's why I kept
Amadeus.
saying, dude, I can't.
Amadeus.
And the reason this is a new thing that I'm trying in this tournament where I usually
All
avoid
bets.
I usually avoid more than one question from the same topic, but then invariably someone says that yaar wo question mere ko nahi aaya. Oh man, I know all about cricket, but I didn't get a cricket question. So that's why I kept it, thinking if someone missed the last one, like the Oprah one, he will at least get the Mozart movie one.
Oh, man.
Justification की जरूरत नहीं है कुमार वरुण. It's okay.
It would be really funny if he only remembered Mozart now and not his first. Mozart, oh shit, yaar. बाकी का क्या था?
Okay, so Devaya gets full 10 points. With that, we move to the last 4 questions of the quiz. Okay, I will just share
the end is in sight. Huh?
End is in sight. Anu is on 5. Devaya is way ahead right now. Devaya is almost qualified for the semis. He's on 41. Yeah, in fact, he has, because it will practically difficult for him to come third now. Harpreet is on 9 and Kanan is on 20. Cool. Since they've got Amadeus, and this will be Anu's direct. Anu, in the works of Shakespeare, Cordelia, Goneril, and Regan are the daughters of which monarch? Okay, in the works of Shakespeare,
King Lear.
Cordelia, King Lear is correct. Full 10 points to Anu. It
You know,
is,
as a literature student, if I did not get that, are they not going to kill myself?
King
Already
Lear.
Saki, I didn't know. I was like, shit.
Oh, are you a literature student?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shameful.
King Lear is correct. So now Anu is on 15. And last 3 questions. This next is for talking about literature. Next question is again from the world of literature. This time to Kanan. Which Agatha Christie's character's obituary appeared on the front page of the New York Times on the 6th of August 1975 after the release of the novel Curtain? Okay, so a novel released Curtain, and that was the last novel or something, and that's why an obituary came out in New York Times about a certain Agatha Christie character.
Oh,
Which
man.
Agatha Christie character are we talking about?
If I say the wrong one, there's only 2. Okay, I'm going to guess. Is it Poirot?
It is Hercule Poirot.
Oh, thank God.
10 points. 10 points to Kannan.
I was Miss Marple or Poirot. And if it was Miss Marple,
Yeah. Hercule Poirot is correct. 10 points to Kanan. Kanan is now on 30. Next direct to Harpreet. This is from literature. We move to Hindu mythological literature. Hanuman's leap towards Lanka marks the beginning of which Kand of the Ramayana? So Ramayana, as we know, is has different Kands, like in some sense different chapters. What Kand of Ramayana starts the moment Hanuman leaps towards Lanka? From
It's
that,
actually-
a new.
It's
Yeah,
Act
Karan,
2.
so?
Act 2.
Second half. Post interval.
Yeah.
Interval.
I
The more-
only know Sundar
Yeah.
Kand.
The more action-packed half. Sorry, Harpreet, you have an answer?
Sundar.
Absolutely correct. It is from Kand. 10 points to Harpreet.
Thank you for answering that.
It is. Oh yeah, Kanan. Oh, you're tracking score. Nice.
No, not like that. I'm like, it would have. I felt like none of the nobody
Oh, like that.
would have just
Yeah.
gone and on.
Oh yeah. So the overall, from the group
Yeah.
perspective. Thank you for answering that.
Hmm.
Okay, which brings us to the last question, which will be Devayya's direct. Just to tell everyone how it's working right now, Kanan is on 30 and Harpreet is on 19 and Anu is on 15. So statistically, I think Dev and Kanan have made it,
Ah.
but we'll see. Okay, this is Dev's direct. Dev, in 1591, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, the ruler of the Golconda Kingdom, established which city on the banks of the river Musi? Okay, in 1591, a certain ruler called Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah was the ruler of the Golconda Kingdom. That's the big hint, and established a city on the banks of river Musi. That's the second hint. Which city are we talking about?
Bijapur.
Not Bijapur. Going to Anu now.
Hyderabad.
Absolutely correct. It is Hyderabad. 10 points to Anu. Okay, Anu ends at 25.
Hmm.
Dev ends at 41. So Dev wins today's quiz.
Congrats, Dev.
Harpreet ends at 19. Great
Congrats,
stuff
Harpreet.
there. And Kanan scrapes through and makes it to the semi-final. Kanan is second. Okay. Kanan and Dev, all the best for your semi-final. Thank you
Thank you,
everyone who
Good
joined
luck,
us today.
Bangalore
We'll-
boys.
Bangalore boys
All the
represent.
best, guys.
See
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
So-